Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Unicorn Tarot Portal. I'm Nikki, and in this video, I'm gonna take their confession for you. I'm gonna see the cards, open the portal so we can see your lover, your partner, your significant others' confessions for you. Their true intentions in their heart for you and what is really going on in their heart, their true desires for you, their true intentions towards you, what do they want from this relationship, what is their deepest darkest secrets in this relationship, or maybe even what's their truest feelings for you that they might be hiding, they might not telling you all of their heart, but I will see it in the cards today. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Of course, share it with your friends, share it with whoever you think they might need the advices, they might need these predictions. And I'm just shocked. So I'm shuffling the cards, and the curse and the sorcerer cards are in the middle. It's not a good, these are not a good cards to see during shuffling. And if you follow me for a long time, you know that anything that happens during a reading is a sign, so nothing is a coincidence. So I'm just not feeling okay with these cards, but we will see. We will see what is going on. Now the moon card, the sorcerer card. Oh my god, this might be a heavy reading. For some of you, I can see that your beloved one, as you can see, the cards are just talking, you know. I haven't pulled any, but during the shuffling, they are just talking. So your beloved one, the one that you have feelings for, or your partner who you are in the relationship with, they might be under some curse or under some spells. So they might not be able to show what they are truly feeling. For some of you, I can see that their path is blocked towards you. So there might be signs that you've seen. Maybe you tried sometime. For some of you, I can see that you've tried to talk with this person. You have discussed your argues. You've been into discussions, arguments, maybe even fights with this person. So you've told them that I don't like this, and that things about you, or I don't like this behavior, I don't like this attitude. But rather than fixing the issue, you can see that they might be avoiding you, or they might not be able to fix anything, or they just can't hear you, what you're arguing about. I can see a blockage between you two, that you can't communicate thoroughly with each other. I can see that there's kind of a curtain between you two. You know what I mean? So for some of you, this curtain, this gap between you two, it's an energetical gap. It's not coming from excommunication. It's coming from another source of energy, which is a dark one. For some of you, I can see a sorcerer doing this intentionally to put a gap, put a distance between you two. So it's not the confession of your person, it's the confession of their soul or their spirit. I can see that their spirit is trapped in a box, in a cage, rather. So we might be taking the confession of the souls of your person, whatever it is. The cards will show us, but this is what I'm seeing in my mind's eye. So give me the confession of this person, please. Wow, soul retrieval card came out. So this card is just talking about the urge of your person for coming towards you. They are like pulled to you. Their soul is pulled to you like a magnet. Their soul wants to be with you. Maybe you are in a breakup now. For some of you, I can see that you've been through a fight. You've been distant lately, but The thing is, their soul craves for you and they want to come back. So what's the issue? They might be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. So wow. Okay. Now I'm seeing what is going on in this relationship. So the thing is, this person have been in another relationship, had been actually. Your person had been in another relationship that is lingering in their energy. That person hasn't moved on from the relationship. So they want to come back. They've been planning to come back to your person's life. Eagle and Hunter card are just telling me that this third party, which was in the past of your person, they are trying to find a way towards them. And they've done this by using some medicine. Medicine wheel is talking about going round and round, doing the same things over and over. For some of you, I can see that they have been doing some spells over and over, putting some curses, coming back to me, curses, spells, blocking the road spells, so they can attract your person towards themselves. So what's happening here is that your person is not attracted to the third party, but they can't communicate freely with you either. I can see that whatever they are doing, it's not giving fruits in a way that your person is finding an attraction towards their ex-partner. Rather, they are feeling some distance with you. They are feeling cold towards you. You know what I mean? So the thing is, it is working, but not completely. Whatever they are doing is working in a way that this person is just getting distance from you. No matter how much you are putting the effort, the hummingbird is talking about the effort you are putting in this relationship. You are just pushing, talking, come, let's talk, let's sit and solve our problems. Maybe for some of you, I can see that you've been into therapy sessions with this person. You've been doing a lot of stuff, a lot of self-reflection with each other, so that you can find a way to solve your issues. But the thing is, the curse or the energy which is coming in between you two is just not letting you to resolve the issues. It's just dragging you both apart. So we will see in the next cards. I want to see their confession. I want to see your person's confessions towards you. Now that we can see what's going on truly in your relationship, I can see that what's your person's confessions towards you, for you. Just tell me what is their confession, please and thank you. Wow. Oh my God. I feel bad for your person, actually. I really am feeling bad for them. I will tell you in a minute. Yeah. So what your person is trying to tell you is that they don't want their story with you to end. They don't want it to end. They want you back into their life, into their home. For some of you, I can see that you've been living with each other. They want you back into their space. They want you back to live with them. And you feel like a home to them. There is no place like you, not like where you are for them in their life. So the thing is, what is not ending for them is the energy that is dragging you both apart. The energy that's coming between you two is just making this person so conflicted, so drained. It is draining them because they can't find the source. They can't know what is it that they are feeling towards you. This lingering energy that it's just dragging them from you apart, dragging them away from you. They can't know where is it coming from, but they just know that they have a frustration towards you. For some of you, you felt that whenever you get into a discussion or an argument, this person, your person, gets very frustrated very soon. You can't seem to just make your way out of the chaos and the conflicts you have. It's just going round and round, and it goes on for some time, and then both of you get just exhausted from all the discussions that they are like repeated discussions. There's no point in them, you know? You can't seem to get a conclusion out of these discussions or these arguments. So it's really frustrating and really, you know, it's kind of, it makes you feel like tired from all of these talks, actually. So what I'm seeing here is that your person is just imagining, they're just trying to imagine a peace with you. Actually, their confession is that there is nothing that I can do at the moment. I can just imagine myself with you and just feel some peace. Because I can't seem to find my way towards you, but I can imagine you beside me, next to me, in my home, in my environment, in my life. So they just, yeah, I feel bad for them. I actually feel bad for them. So I want to ask the cards what you should do here in this situation. What's your responsibility? What you can do to solve this? Because, you know, I get very angry from the people who play on the energy of others. This is so wrong. And if you even attract someone with some dark energy, it won't last long, you know. It will break apart because it's not intended to be. It's not meant to be, you know. You should have the divine's consent for some things. For everything, actually. There should be a divine consent. When you play on dark energies, when you ask the darker entities to do something for you, they are doing it without the consent of the divine. So what happens is that it will break apart. It will end someday. Sooner or later, it will just fall apart. And that's what I'm seeing here. The person that is doing this to you two is, they're just doing it out of spite and out of this urge to just have them back and then release them again. So the person, the third party, just, they don't want to have a relationship with this person. They just feel the urge to just have them for some short time and then break their heart because they feel somehow rejected by this person, by your person. So they want to attract them and then leave them so that they can be even with your person. This is how spiteful they are. Wow. Okay. So let me see. I want to ask the cards what you should do here. What you can do here. Oh my God, how many cards? Yeah. So the solution is not in the leaving, guys. The solution is not in leaving this person. You shouldn't be leaving this person out to dry. This is the hardship that you might face in any relationship. And the cards are telling you that you should find a way towards each other and solve this together. No matter how much it's frustrating, being apart from each other is a lot more frustrating. So the thing is, you should find a way towards each other. You should find a way to cross this sea, this sea of troubles together. You should find a way to pass this hardship together. It's not the option is not in the distance or in the breakup or in the silent treatment. You are not doing any favor to a relationship by just getting silent or by just getting into argues with this person. They are feeling a lot of love towards you, but it is not in their hands that they feel a lack of communication. They can't communicate properly. This is the problem of the curses or the energies that is coming between you two. So you can't blame this person for this. Yeah, you should ignite the fire in your relationship once more. I can see for a lot of you, having a physical relationship with each other will break a lot of bonds, a lot of dark bonds that this person might have with another energy. So try to be more physical with each other. Try to have something in common, something to enjoy with each other. Something other than physical. I can name for you. Oh, under your deck. Oh, under your deck are too many beautiful cards. So the Sun card, the Eight of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. So what I'm seeing here is that the cards are suggesting. They're suggesting to get on a trip with each other, go to somewhere safe with each other, have, I don't know, maybe a weekend with each other so that you can just get away from all the noise around you, all the pollution, actually, all the pollution of the energies around you. Go to some solace, to some secure place off the grid, and just spend some time, some alone time together. That's the way that you can find, that's the solution, that you can find a way towards each other once more. You know what I mean? And the other thing is that in this relationship that you are having with each other, as much as you get far away from each other, the more the other energies can play between you. So the solution is just to stick together, be more physical with each other. And that's the way that you can beat up these negativity. The solution is just having a new start, having a fresh slate, clean start. And it will happen soon. I can see in 8 days. I can see in 5 days. So no matter what is going on between you two, you should know that this isn't coming from your person's heart. Your person's heart is just pounding for you. They want to be with you. They feel just not at ease. They don't feel at home when you are not there. So this is your person's feelings. But the confession is that please come back to me so we can beat up these negativity together. I can't face all these negativity alone. This is their confession. So I hope this helped. If so, please like the video. Please make sure to subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.